you said also, that's perfectly all right. When you're sleeping or you feel you are in trance, that is actually a very meditative sleep. At this point, the subconscious mind would register the information. Okay, so this is perfectly all right. This is your first visualization class. So I don't even you slept. Okay, okay. So I think very deep sleep. So I think this happened like when I gave, okay. So I think when I gave that command of clouds and flying, and the music became very relaxing, that's where you missed making the check. No worries. What we can do now is make the check now. Make,
I made it, but I forgot what I made.
that's okay. We don't have to remember. We have all the we have done all the affirmation which we were supposed to do.
And it was very relaxing though. I
Hmm.
was following your voice. I could not hear the music though.
Okay.
But I was just listening to your voice. It
Mm-hmm.
was relaxing. I remember I wrote the chit,
Mm-hmm.
and after that, I don't remember. I was in trance.
You were
I
in
have
trance.
the habit of going in trance in the meditative state.
Good. So actually, that's what we need. So even though people have slept, it's perfectly all right because I was giving you all the affirmations, all the commands. I've placed the codes wherever required, and we have done the healing wherever required. So this is the way. In the first class, this is the technique. I will be sharing the recording with you. So you can go back and practice the same again.
मैम
जी.
मैम मैंने मेरे को सिर्फ एक लाइट पेल कलर की लाइट मैंने देखी है और जहाँ पे आपने कहा था कि ट्री को विजुलाइज करो तो वहाँ पे मैंने क्रिसमस ट्री देखा है
Okay,
ठीक
great.
है और जब आपने बोला कि लिखने के लिए विश तो वो मैंने लिखी जरूर है लेकिन वो मैं बंद आंखों से नहीं लिख पाई मैंने ओपन करके वैसे लिखे
No worries. Perfectly. Perfectly fine. There was one, yeah, somebody wrote me. I slept in the, acha, okay, I slept in the middle, but when I tried to visualize it, I just saw blurry bubbles and images floating. So this happens. This happens in meditation. This being the first session, I don't expect everybody to go make the check. You would be practicing. I will be sharing the recording. You will be practicing and you will be repeating this maybe 2 times, 3 times, and you will reach there. You will take lift also and come back. Okay. So the point is that the idea is not to make the check in one go. The idea is to be able to reach that stage. Okay, that is where what is required of you. We have to reach that state of mind. This is the state of mind. Actually, I wanted you to experience this is the state of mind, actually, where we say law of attraction has to, work. Now, this is the time when whatever we affirm, whatever we desire, will start to manifest. Yeah, Drishti, you are saying something?
Ma'am, I don't know. I slept at that time, and flashbacks from the past, the things which are you know जो बार बार मुझे परेशान करती हैं जो चीजें वो सारे फ्लैशबैक्स आए थे मुझे आपकी वॉइस भी आ रही थी बीच बीच में but I was trying to visualize but I don't know I visualized it or not at some points I visualized but I was in a deep sleep और पास्ट से बहुत सारे इंसिडेंट्स जो परेशान करते मुझे they were coming they were flashing back is that
Okay. That's perfectly all right. If you remember what we said during the session, that there are people in this group where, and that is the reason I started talking about heart chakra and anahat and how to offload, right? And I gave even the affirmations of heal, 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 and I sent the healing energy to group. So it is perfectly all right. Energy will do what it has to do. Purpose of this is basically this is what is the miracle all about, that somebody is here sitting for making a goal for career, but career will manifest only when you're healed and vibrant and you're totally free from the past. And that's where the career will escalate. Somewhere somebody's stomach needed some healing. I think I did the healing, and I said detox. Okay, so something like that also happened. Most of you slept. Most of you were floating somewhere, flying somewhere. It's perfectly all right. This will be again and again done, practiced. It is going to create more and more relaxation, will help you visualize, repair, practice the mudra part also first, and then do the meditation, and then you will be able to make the check. If you don't remember what you have written in the check, it's perfectly all right, because we have already set the frequency to money. And I said the affirmation of money also, affirmations of growth also. So now, when we have said enough on abundance, prosperity, growth, money, what you have written really does not matter. It would be some figure. Maybe you get more than that, because in the end, we said, I get more than I desire. I receive more than I desire. Okay. So this will help abundance to activate. Maybe you're just simply thinking about an X figure. Maybe they have X square in mind. Who knows? So this is how the beauty of meditation and visualization works. So anybody else who would like to share the experience, or anybody who has had an issue? And forgot everything. It's perfectly all right. It's your trance. It's your deep meditative state where this whole session has taken you. Now the subconscious mind will first go and heal you, repair you. I'm saying the affirmations. Now, in the second round, when you practice this, maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow, or day after, you will reach the right stages. This is the first step. You've all experienced the first step, which is the right step to manifestation. जब तक इस कंडीशन, इस वेवलेंथ पे नहीं आते, कोई मैनिफेस्टेशन, कोई गोल काम नहीं करता. इस स्टेज पे मैंने जो फाइन ट्यून किया है, ऑलराइट, मे बी मनी, मे बी हीलिंग माई सेल्फ, मे बी रिपेयरिंग माई स्टमक, मे बी रिपेयरिंग माई हार्ट, मे बी लेटिंग गो ऑफ दैट पास्ट इंसिडेंट. दैट्स इट. Done forever. Then next, when you do, there'll be something else and something else and something else, and we will be able to make the check, keep it in the drawer, take a lift, come back. And that will be the most magical thing. You all should tell me when that happens. Like Swagnika did it today. Many of you would have done it. But even if the exercise is incomplete, now you know this is how you unlock that mind and how you shed your old skin or blockages. Without even mentioning any blockages, we have shed the old skin. Okay. So anybody here who has a question? Okay. So with this, can we leave the session now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So cool. Now there's another tip. Yeah, thank you. There's another tip, quick tip regarding healing of water that must be done for the next couple of days. Must be done for next couple of days. People who felt dark, Hegel, or anybody else who felt disturbed can use rose quartz or black tourmaline, basis the experience. Or people who are manifesting hardcore money can also use green aventurine or pyrite tumble to help rise to that energy or amplify that energy and fasten up the experience. And also, if we are making hardcore money, then this is what we desire. Okay, so this is how you amplify your desires. And wonderful to have you all. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.